How to restore the missing phone app or camera app on the lock screen of Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, let's return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, touch and hold, then tap on Wallpaper and Style. From here, we tap on the left panel, which is the lock screen panel. Then at the bottom, to restore the missing phone app or camera app, you want to tap on the shortcut. So tap on the shortcut on the corner. Then we scroll down and we look for the phone app. It should be in here. So you can see here, say phone. So tap on it. And now we have successfully restored the phone app. For the camera app, if it's not in here, so let's say if it's missing or if it is a different icon, then you can tap on the right hand corner. And in the list of shortcuts, we scroll down and look for the camera app. It's right here, camera, and then tap on the done button at the top. And that's it. Now we have restored the phone app and the phone app from the on the lock screen on your Samsung Galaxy S26 series. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.